may binili si mami ng ganito. Yan, karami yung binili niya, guys. So, lalagyan ko na siya, guys. Aso nga lang, konti pa lang yung nalalagay ko. Kaya may nag-comment. Sabi ko, madami na, guys. Madami na sana mag-comment. Ayun. Dapat kasi dirili, paniram niyo yun. Ayan, guys. Kung gusto niyo mag-comment, napansinin ko kayo. Papansinin ko kayo. Try nyo kasi mag-hi. Sabi nyo, hi po ate. Ganun. Guys, napakahirap. Dito ko na lang siya ilagay. Para mabilis na lang siya.
Teddy is feeling mad because his clock tower fell down. Breathe slow and steady, Teddy. Everything's okay. Take a belly breath.
Ay!
Now what?
Hala! Asan tayo? Wait lang, guys.
I feel better. I can ask my daddy to help me film it again.
Ay! Mada!
Sad.
Bad!
This is Mom.
Pinapalabas ako, guys.
Take a belly breath. Now what do you say? I feel better. Let's see the I can give her a picture.
Opo.
Breathe, because he doesn't like the dark. Breathe slow and steady, Teddy. Everything's okay. Take a belly breath. Now what do you say? I feel better. I can answer my play. When I take a deep breath, my brain works better. I'm calm. Figure
Ano
out
ba?
what I need. Taking deep breaths helps me.
Guys, bye!